Mr. Brookhaven built the arcade, the ice cream shop, club rook, hair salon, and the groceries, and other more in the city. The first bank got robbed. Brookhaven Jr. died in age 29 because of the explosion of the first rob at Brookhaven. The third president is voted Mr. Brookhaven's wife, Mrs. Caven. Mrs. Caven age is 64. Mrs. Caven built the pool, the slide, and the swing in Brookhaven, and the playhouse. Picture from Mrs. Brookhaven and her horse at 1901. The first car is created, and Mrs. Brookhaven tried it. But the car is broken, failed. The second try, the car is now fixed, drive, and awesome at the same time. The first car crash started. Mrs. Brookhaven built the hospital and the fire station and also the graveyard. Mrs. Brookhaven died at a heart failure in 1921. Rest in peace from the family of Brookhaven. See ya. Part 4 coming soon.